Hey, good morning everybody. Nick from Premier Flooring Systems. It's a cold, brisk morning out in November. We're going to be pumping some concrete today. So I'm on site. The guys should be getting here in a little bit. We got a generator coming. We're going to hook up our MP25 pump and we'll be pumping about 200 bags an hour. So we're going to be here a good part of the day self-leveling a concrete floor for a project that we have that we need to get done by February, March. So let's go take a look and we'll take you through the process of preparing a concrete floor for a project. So before we start pumping concrete, we want to take you back 2 days and show you what the project looked like before we started. When we get a call for a project like this, the very first thing we want to do is we want to come take a look at the conditions. We want to know if there's moisture issues. We want to see if there's spalling in the concrete. We want to check for cracks. We really want to check and see what we're dealing with, before we start estimating how much material we're going to need. One of the things we like to do, and we're really pushing to do more and more, is to get in there during Division 3 work. We found it so beneficial to do this work at the Division 3 level when before all the other trades get in there than Division 9, which customarily is what we did as flooring contractors. We'd go in there Division 9, get on our hands and knees, patch those floors, and then start installing floor coverings. When doing this at Division 3, the amount of savings that the general contractor and the owner can recognize sometimes is unlimited. If we can get in there and make that a flat, smooth floor before the other trades get in there, it makes the job go so much faster and so much smoother. And probably the trade that benefits the most are the guys that are doing the framing work. Those guys love dealing with flat floors. Now, once we show up on a project, one of the very first things we want to do is follow behind where the general contractor has brooms swept for us with our vacuums. Very important for us to get as much contaminants off the floor as possible so that our primer will grab good and that we're building a good, strong system from the ground up. Now, for this particular project, we went with our partners over at LATICRETE and Daltile. Both companies have been very good and very good partners, and LATICRETE makes a phenomenal product that we've been using for many years. Back to pump day, and it's time to start setting the site up. The guys are in and we're starting to roll the equipment into place to pump concrete. As the generator rolls into place, I want to thank Decker Tools for helping us out on this project. Decker pulled us out of a jam. Great bunch of guys, very professional and very efficient, and they really helped us out of a little bit of a jam on this particular project. So I want to say thank you to the guys at Decker, and they helped make the project a success. With the power hooked up, the machine pressure tested, the hoses all primed and hooked up and in place, it was finally time to start pumping concrete.